Hello everyone. Now good evening. Good evening everyone. I greet you all according to your where you are and according to the time you are using. Let me repair my camera well. So happy Saturday to everyone. I come out just because of one thing. I beg, if una know wetin kill this girl, people wey dey near am and people wey be say be her friend, when e dey there wey the thing happen, abeg una carry the right story come out. Wetin kill her, wetin lead to her death, abeg. Maybe her family for house now never know say something don go wrong for where their daughter dey. Dem go feel say maybe their daughter still dey alive. So this is the girl picture. May I bring her out, una for see am. Na she be this one so. Una dey see am so. Na she be this. Una don see am. Na she be this one. See her picture. Na she be this. Na she be this one. See am. Una see am. I no believe when I see this picture. Una see. Wait, the thing go bright just now. Na she be this. Oh, her name na Christabel. Christabel. Na be her name. Na be her name. Na she be this one. So una see her. Una see her. Na she be this. Una see. Na wetin I find be this one. Oh, this night. Na I find this one. So when I go see this picture, I no believe say Christabel she don die. And one person even write say 2 days ago, and na that 2 days ago na she die. That 2 days ago na she comment put for the guy picture. That 2 days ago na she comment to put for the guy picture, because everybody no believe. Even me when e dey here, RIP come become Christabel name. RIP don become Christabel name. Na so this death easy. Na so easy. Die no your dey hard at all. I see am. I say no, I dey sleep. I dey sleep. May I still search go down. I search and go down again. The same thing. Everybody when e be say they post the picture na one thing. Why I decide to make this video, I make this video because of her family back home. Maybe the family now they never know say their daughter don die 2 days ago. They never know say their daughter now don die. They go still dey feel say their daughter is still dey alive. Abeg, anybody when e know this girl, that is why I show her picture. She dey bear Christabel. I no know her birth name, but maybe as you see the picture, you go recognize her. You go see, know say na she. Abeg, una let this message reach her family hand, because RIP no be joke. No be wetin person take dey joke. No be wetin person take dey laugh. No be wetin person take dey play. Before they go come dey write RIP people for person picture, and nobody even know exactly wetin kill her. Nobody even know wetin lead to her death right now. I know her very well. No be say far friend. I know her. Nobody know wetin happen to her now. Even the person still comment say they no know wetin kill her. Abeg, people when e dey that country, Austria, people when e dey near her, if una know wetin happen to her, abeg, una still be una brother's keeper, be una sister's keeper. Una do video come out. Una do video come out so that the family of this girl go know wetin lead to their daughter death. Abeg una. Una do video come out so that the family go know, because she no open mouth talk am one day say she get relative for this Europe. No. she no talk am one day. She no talk am one day say her relative dey this Europe. According to her, it's like na she be first daughter for her mother hand. I take God beg una, na so I know her reach. I take God beg una, if una know wetin kill dis girl, abeg, Christabel na be her name. Christabel na I know her put. Na I know her put o, abeg. Make I still dey show the picture again. If una know wetin kill her, abeg, make una do video concerning wetin kill her. Whether she sick o, or anything happen to her, to am o, wey e be say e just take am go, just like that. Just like that. See am, I dey show the picture again now. Na she be this one so. Na she be this. Christabel na be her name. Na Christabel na be her name. Na see am, na she be this o. Na her picture be this one. If una no know say na that name na dem dey call her, but at least as you see this picture, you go know say her name na Christabel. Na she be this one. Christabel na be her name. Abeg, anybody see this video, anybody when you see this video, abeg, una no keep am to una sef. Una no keep am to una sef because of the family back home. Everybody dey travel, dey comot. Anything can happen. That is why we dey be our brother's keeper, our sister's keeper for this Europe wey we dey so. Na im make we dey be our brother's keeper, family. As far as say we don get this blood, we don get this flesh. As I dey talk to una so, I dey cry. I dey cry as I dey talk to una. Say Christabel die. Wetin kill am? Na wetin me I no know, na be that one. I no know wetin kill am. Na that one I still dey ask. I no know wetin kill her. She sick? Abeg, people when e dey that Austria, that Vienna, I take God beg una. If una know wetin lead to her death, una no keep am. Una no keep am. Una post am. Una do video post am, so that the family go know wetin kill their daughter. Abeg, because RIP no be wetin person take dey joke o. RIP no be wetin person take dey play. RIP no be wetin go make you laugh. Abeg, muna see this video. Muna consider the family. Abeg, muna leak wetin kill her out, because I know me myself wey still sit down for here, I never believe say Christabel die. I never believe am say she die. I never believe am say she die. Wetin come dey this one? So nothing just dey this one. Na so the death easy. So for someone to die very easy, oh my goodness, no. For someone to die so easy, my God, my God, my God. She no be the type of person when e dey drink. She no be the type of person when e dey smoke. No. She no be that type. No be that type. Hey, God. This life, easy o. E too easy. Okay, wetin we come dey kill ourselves for? Wetin we come dey struggle for? Wetin we come dey do waka like say tomorrow no dey? Wetin we come dey do am for? Wetin we come dey do am for now? See her now, she's gone. She don go. She don go. Hey, Jehovah, my goodness. My goodness, I no believe say Christabel die o. Abeg, anyone when you see this video, may share am o. Maybe the family for house never know. Abeg, una let the family know so that she go rest in peace. Mona share am o, make she for rest in peace o. Crystal Bell, rest in peace. Thank you so much, everyone, because this is not a good news of something to say, laugh or something. Thank you, everyone. Na so I wan just do the video reach. Thank you, everybody.